Show me on the bone. Iliac crest.
This is the iliac crest.
Iliac spine.
This is anterior iliac
Greater
spine.
sciatic notch. Lesser sciatic notch.
This is lesser sciatic notch.
Ischial tuberosity.
This is ischial tuberosity.
Auricular surface.
This is the auricular surface.
Pubic symphysis. Acetabulum. 2/5 by
2/5 by ilium, 2/5 by ischium, and 1/5 by pubis.
iliac fossa. Explain exoskeleton.
The exoskeleton has 5 parts: skull, auditory ossicles, hyoid bone, sternum and ribs, and vertebral column.
The vitals area representing what?
Sternum.
Among the following, which is the longest bone of the body?
Femur.
Which is the collarbone of the body?
Clavicle.